Welcome to our continuing YouTube video series on business incorporation and the law. My name is Christopher Neufeld of Neufeld Legal, and in this particular video we'll be discussing what is a company. Now, a company is largely in the business context synonymous with a corporation. However, what tends to be the case is that a corporation is the more appropriate term that is utilized by lawyers, courts, and even the government, and is a term that is typically referenced in the statutes which are enacted by the government and direct the operation of corporations, their formation, and hence the reference technically should be that of a corporation as opposed to a company, although in certain circumstances there are corporations that utilize the term company, such as a limited liability company or LLC and an unlimited liability company or ULC. What in fact is a company or corporation though? It is a separate legal entity that is created by that governing statute of the government in which the jurisdiction it was created, that operates separate and distinct from the individuals that created it and that continue to operate it, whether they are the shareholders, directors, or officers of that company. As such, the company or corporation, as it might be called, is a separate and distinct legal person that is able to contract on its own, is able to assume debts on its own, hire people on its own, and has responsibilities of its own. Now, we can't look too far into that, given the fact that the separation that has been created has been largely addressed through contractual matters, and we discuss this in separate YouTube videos. Nevertheless, even though there is a distinction, what businesses tend to do is to contract out that distinction and to hold individuals such as officers and directors and shareholders liable. And there are court-imposed and legal common law obligations that fall upon directors and officers in certain circumstances that can still hold them liable for the actions and the obligations of the corporations. So the idea of distinction, one should not get carried away in overthinking it. Nevertheless, that is the essence of what a company is, which is largely synonymous with the legal term and more accurate term of a corporation. I trust you found this YouTube video informative. Please feel free to contact us with respect to your incorporation and other business needs, and visit us at our website www.lawyerincorporation.com. Thank you.